Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, so is my voice audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, uh, the concepts of BFS and DFS we have explained, we have learned. One problem I will give it to you all, and you will solve and tell me that using the BFS traversal algorithm, what is the solution, and using the DFS traversal algorithm, what is the solution. And then you will be able to spot the difference that on the same graph, how using two different type of graph traversal algorithm, two different type of paths are happening, or two different type of statements are happening. Okay, so first I will just draw the graph for you. Okay, so this is the graph that is given to you. First solution, apply BFS algorithm on this graph and tell me what are the node traversals, and then apply DFS algorithm on the same graph and tell me what are the node traversals. I think the S signifies that this is the source vertex or the start vertex. So from here, this point, you people need to start or consider the starting vertex. Okay, I am giving you 5 to 6 minutes time for each and everyone. Please solve this. After 5 minutes, I will ask you what is the answer. Then you people tell me. If your answer matches with others also, then you people have done it right. If your answer does not match, then you people need to understand where you people are facing or doing the wrong process or the wrong step. Okay, so this is the graph. Please apply this. I will ask for the answer, then we will apply this and I will ask for the answer. Okay, I'm giving you 5 minutes time for this. Okay, so are you done? Okay, so can anyone please tell me the answer? The traversal from S then?
मैम लेवल 0 लेवल 1 स्टेप में बताना है या डायरेक्ट?
नहीं नहीं, बस डायरेक्टली हमको प्रोसेस बोल दो, फिर तो लेवल 0 लेवल 1 हो जाएगा। एस से कहाँ जाएंगे फिर?
मैम एस से मैम ए बी और सी में जाएंगे मैम।
देन
फिर मैम ए से डी जाएंगे मैम।
देन
देन मैम डी से जी। नहीं,
बी से ई,
देन
then C से F,
देन
then G.
देन जी। ठीक है, so this is the BFS traversal. You are absolutely right. So rest of the people who did not speak, did their answer match with him? If your answer matches this, then it is right. And if your answer is not matching, then you people are doing a mistake in some step. Then you can ask me now. If you have done any mistake, then it may get cleared. Fine. So this is the BFS. Then I will give you another 5 minutes. You people work and you people tell me what will be the traversal for DFS. Okay. So anyone have the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Yes, ma'am.
SADG, then EB, then FC.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect. So again, he has said the right answer. So I hope that people who are getting this as the answer, they have understood. I have tried to make you understand, they have understood. And if anyone is there who has not got this answer, please ask in the class so that your query gets cleared. Okay. So now you can see same graph using two different traversal algorithms, how the different traversal patterns are there. Okay. So this is the way how these algorithms are applied. Now these algorithms, they have a lot of applications. When solving puzzles are there in the computer, they use the concept of BFS. Okay. So if you just type in the Google now applications of BFS and DFS, a lot of examples you will get, and from there you can understand that how these concepts they are applied over there. Okay, so this is the concept. Now in yesterday's class, the small thing which I could not write is the DFS
Hello, ma'am.
algorithm. Yes.
मैम G से F C उसके बाद फिर E और B नहीं जा सकते हैं?
कौन सा ट्रावर्सल में बोल रहे हो?
मैम DFS में.
हाँ जा सकते हो, पर हम लोग तो नियरेस्ट जो एडजेसेंट है उसको लेते हैं ना. मेरा नियरेस्ट एडजेसेंट नोट कौन सा होगा? तुम पिक्चर देख के डिसाइड करो. नियरेस्ट एडजेसेंट कौन सा होगा? ई पहले होगा या एफ पहले होगा?
E होगा मैम.
हाँ, तो नियरेस्ट एडजेसेंट को लेते हैं हम लोग. ये एक्चुअली ये कंफ्यूजन तुम्हारा हो रहा है क्योंकि ये वेटेड ग्राफ नहीं है. अगर वेटेड ग्राफ होता तो फिर थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन और क्लियर हो जाता है. जिसका वेट कम है हम उसको सबसे पहले कंसीडर कर लेंगे. अगर मेरा ई एंड एफ के भीतर अगर मेरा कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि हम किसको चूज करें, जिसका वेट सबसे कम होगा हम उसको पहले कंसीडर कर लेंगे. ये सिंपल सा नॉन वेटेड नॉन डायरेक्टेड ग्राफ है, इसलिए थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है. वेटेड ग्राफ या फिर डायरेक्टेड ग्राफ होने से ना कंफ्यूजन और क्लियर हो जाता है, क्योंकि तब तो तुम्हारे पास उतना मतलब उतना प्रोविजन ही नहीं है किसको चूज करे या ना करे. जिसके ऊपर एरो लगा है उसको ही चूज करना है, ऐसा वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है. ठीक है.
Okay मैम.
Okay, so the algorithm which I have not written, we have understood, but just I need to write it down for once. So first we are seeing what? We are seeing that all the vertices are unvisited, all the edges are undiscovered, right? So for all vertices that belong to the set of G dot vertices, we will set the label of the vertices to be unvisited. Fine. And for all the edges that belongs to D dot edges set, right, we will set the label of edges to be undiscovered. This is a very simple method of writing the algorithm. If you have understood the process, you will be able to write the algorithm yourself only. Fine, up to this it is clear. Then, one thing we are doing what? For all the vertices that belong to the set of vertices in my graph, if the vertex level is unvisited, then we will do what? We will visit the vertex of that graph. Simple method. Fine. So here one is closed. Now, when we are visiting the vertex, what is happening? What is the logic? Suppose I have visited a vertex of my graph. First, I will do what? First, I will set the label of that vertex to visited vertex. Fine. Then, for all the edges that is incident on that vertex, for all the edges that is incident edges on that vertex, I will do what? If that edge was undiscovered, if that edge was undiscovered, then I was adding the adjacent vertex. I was taking the adjacent vertex of that vertex and I am taking it as a new vertex. So I am writing it as W. Fine. Then I will check with W if the label of the new vertex is unvisited, then I will do what? I will set the label of that edge to be discovered. Fine. And I will visit the new vertex from my graph. Clear? If the label of that vertex was already a visited vertex, what did we do? We backtracked, right? We set the label of that edge to be a backtracked edge, right? So one closure for entire this and one closure for the main graph, right? So this page, below that these writings, below that this entire structure together is the algorithm for the DFS algorithm. Okay, is this thing clear to you all? Now the graph traversal algorithm section is finished. Now the next topic is, 1 minute, sound is coming, a lot of sound is coming. Okay, so with this, the graph traversal mechanisms is finished. Fine. The next topic is the minimum spanning trees topics. So in this class today, I won't start with the next topic because one topic at a time, it is better. 1 minute. So with this, I will end today's class. Everyone, please write your attendance in the chat box. Okay. And if you have write your attendance, you may leave the class. In the next class, we will start with the minimum spanning tree concept. Okay. Please write your attendance, and if your attendance is over, you may leave the class. And if you have any query, you may ask to me now.
मैम थोड़ा नेक्स्ट पेज कीजिएगा, सेकंड वाला.
Yes.
मैम नेक्स्ट स्लाइड थोड़ा कीजिए ना, जो सेकंड में एल्गो लिखे.
और भी नेक्स्ट करूं?
यस मैम, लास्ट।
ठीक है।
ओके मैम।